Biotechnology, by definition, stems from the nature. And if you think back, we've been using biotechnology in a more primitive form for thousands of years. We fermented things, we produced wine, we produced cheese. All these are uses of biotechnology.
We are focused on the sustainability part of it. Food, agriculture, materials, chemicals, all these are important parts of everyday life.
Everything that can be touched, can be done, can be used, can be manufactured, besides energy and drugs, are within what we do.
Tomorrow, you can imagine solving the problem of food waste, solving the problem or addressing the problem of greenhouse gas emissions, addressing the problem of biodiversity. All of that can be addressed using biotechnology.
Industrial biotech is important for Sofinnova because industrial biotech is critical to our future, to our collective future.
If you can produce concrete and cement in a much more sustainable way, then you really change the world. If you are able to protect the crop from the pests and the droughts without using harsh chemicals that will lead to cancer and things like that for the farmers, then you will change the world. And so this is the kind of company that we are really trying to invest in.
It's not just one company that's going to change the world, but I think as a collection, they might be able to make some piece of a difference in the big problem. That's the way I see it.
The most important thing we're working on today at Sofinnova in industrial biotechnology is in aligning the whole society to understand what's the power of biotechnology and how it can be applied in these industrial contexts.
The right direction is being sure that every time you go with a new product to the market, your product is better than the solution we have today. And then you just need to accelerate.
The Sofinnova Industrial Biotech 2 Fund is an impact fund. It means that, as I like to say, we not only talk the talk, but we walk the walk. We will measure the amount of CO2 that is diminished. We will measure fossil feedstock that is used and that is reduced.
I joined Sofinnova in '91 to start biotech investment for Sofinnova. And at some point we understood, it was the beginning of the 2000s, we understood that biotechnology could be used not only for better healthcare, but could be used also for a better world. It was obvious that we should do something in those fields. It was also obvious that it would not be easy, because we were the first.
What we do, all we do, is life sciences. For this, you need people to understand the science. This is what we have here at Sofinnova, the great majority of scientists. And then you need to have people. You need to have the connection with the people who will make that science ultimately see the light of the day.
Keep in mind that we invest in very early stage projects, sometimes an idea. We are investing in innovation. Innovation is the steps that you bring a scientific result into the economical world. You bring into the real life. So the transition between science and economy, between science and market, between science and new products is what we call innovation. When you invest in Sofinnova, you invest in innovation. This is about survival.